Okay.
And here's another look at what's happening on the news tonight. A Russell County man has been sentenced to life in prison for sexual torture. We'll have more about that story from the defense and the prosecution tonight on the 6 o'clock report. And then on Alabama First News, today marks the 3-year anniversary of Auburn University freshman Lauren Burke's death. Find out how far her memorial scholarship has come. That's tonight on Alabama First News. Now, if you get a chance this weekend, and you really need to do it, attend the celebration of the First Lady of TV. It's an evening with Lucille Ball. Thank you for asking. Now, this phenomenal show comes to the River Center's Bill Hurd Theater tomorrow night at 7:30 p.m. And here is just a snippet of what you're going to get.
And anytime, Lucy.
Hello, friends. I'm your Vitamina Benjamin girl. Are you tired, run down, listless? Do you poop out of parties? Are you unpopular? The answer to all your problems is in this little bottle.
Now, you pick up the bottle.
Oh.
A little higher. That's right.
Vitamina Benjamin. Yes, Vitamina Benjamin contains vitamins, meat, vegetables, and minerals. Yes, with Vitamina Benjamin, you can spoon your way to health. All you do is take a great big tablespoonful after every meal.
And now you taste it.
Oh. It's so tasty, too. Oh, this stuff is hideous. Oh, this stuff is perfect.
That is a very famous scene from I Love Lucy. I remember sitting on the couch
Who
with
was
my
that?
mom. That was you, Suzanne LaRouche.
Really?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Yes, I
When-
hope. Well, most of America does.
Yes, when it
That's
first
what I'm
aired.
counting on.
Yes,
Yeah.
and she was always trying to get into showbiz because Desi was in showbiz,
Right.
And Ricky Ricardo, and and she wanted a job, and she got it.
Right, right. Well, that was one of the premises. There were several like that, but that is the most popular #1 rated I Love Lucy show. Of course, is Vitamina Benjamin. So we had to include that in the show.
You said it right. Vitamina.
I said it, you know, and okay. Well, let's talk about my show tomorrow night at the River Center for everyone that we want to come. Is that one of the things that people do is mispronounce that name, Vitamina Benjamin. So I actually, as Lucille Ball, an older Lucy, which is what this show is, with the bubble hair. I thought she was so pretty when she wore that look, you know. So I wanted to depict that, and then she remembers everything, and so we go back in time a bit, and we touch on those things. But one of the things people do is mispronounce that name. So what I do in the show is I teach the audience how to say it.
And how do you say it? Because I remember it as Vita 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 Benjamin. I guess I don't remember.
Not bad.
Okay.
But yeah, and we do a whole. I hope you come, because we do a whole take on that. Is because the question,
that's my
question that we have in the show is that you hear a voice saying, "What was really in the Vegemujamujamo?" and Lucille says, "Let me teach you how to say it." First of all, where's my camera? Where do I look? Here.
Right
oh, here. There's a guy going, yeah, right here. Let me teach you how to say it. It contains vitamins, meat, vegetables, and minerals. Hence the name, Vita, Mita, Veja, Men. Vita, Mita, Veja, Men. Vita, Mita, Veja, Men. And that's what I do with the audience. We make a little dance out of it. And when you leave, if you don't know how to say this name of this syrup.
And you know, we're promoting it. Tell them where it is. It just dawned on me.
Tomorrow night, March 5th.
River Center.
River Center for the Performing Arts in the Bill Hurd Theater. Apparently Bill heard all about it. And 7:30 curtain. There are still tickets available. And so please bring everyone you know.
Now, what made you go into this area of production? As a child, were you told you looked like Lucy, or?
No, not at all. I was a child actress on my own, and you could actually see, my daughter found a videotape of me, 8 years old, a commercial I did. Easy Weaver, go look it up. That's me. Yeah,
Okay.
I know, it was so bizarre. But no, I grew up loving Lucy like everyone else because I was gravitated towards comedy. And of course, you know, who better to watch?
Yes.
So, you know, I always thought my mother looked like Lucy. So as I developed as an actress and went to work at Universal Studios Hollywood doing characters and raising a child by myself.
Did?
Oh, yeah.
My
I started off as Marilyn. This was a few years ago. I started off as Marilyn Monroe. You know.
Well, I can see that, Suzanne. I can see that.
God loves
you. Want to sing Happy Birthday?
Right.
Happy birthday. Okay. Keep your dress down, huh? Okay. Okay. Yes.
That's right.
So you did.
I did characters. And I did Mae West and and Betty Boop and a French.
Well, you kind of have
girl.
that persona because you can tell that Mama had it going on.
I've always been high energy, but what I didn't like about those characters doing it day in and day out was they were all very low energy and very sexual, which I don't mind being sexual once in a while, but day in and day out, you know, it's not as fun. And when they opened the tribute to Lucille Ball, I proposed it to the higher-ups, and I said, you know, that's a fun character to do. Let me work on that.
And you work with her children.
Yes.
Oh, how is that?
Lucy Arnaz, particularly. I did work with Desi Jr. He and his wife run a theater in Boulder, Nevada. So that's where we debuted this play, was at their theater. And so we were still kind of putting it together then, and so Desi helped, you know, quite a bit. But Lucy Arnaz is my director and producer in this venture, and also helped me co-author the script. I had written the script and did a presentation to the family because I wanted their blessing. And then I asked her for notes because more than being the daughter of Lucille Ball and Desi Arnaz, she's, as you know, a very gifted Broadway actress. And singer and entertainer,
Now, did you find out things about Lucy and Desi that you had not known before?
One thing, because of doing it so long, it's been 20 years already. I've been portraying this woman, about 3 years with this particular version of the show. But there is one thing that she brought to the script that I had never heard of, and I don't know that anybody else has heard of. And so I think it's exciting that we have some of those things in the show. And I'm not going to tell you what they are.
Oh, see what you did? You see what you just did?
Well, yes, I got to say the show.
Well, I'm going to tell you something. This was, as a child, not only did I just love it because she was just a wonderful actress, and it always made me feel good because it was about family. But he was the only other person I knew named Desi. My name is actually Desiree, and so all my friends called me Desi. And so I would watch, I knew his name was Desi, and I'd see Desi Lou across the screen,
you know?
and I'd think Hollywood.
Yes, well, and here you are, you're the star of your own show, for heaven's sake.
Yes, this is Hollywood East, Georgia, you know, so we're Hollywood.
I'm impressed, no matter what, absolutely. Well, and you know, Lucille Ball's middle name is Desiree. Her mother's first name, did you not know that?
No, and Blair Underwood's wife's name is Desiree. I mean, the Desirees that are just, you know.
The Desirees are taking over the world.
I'm telling you, it's about time.
Yeah.
It's about time.
It's a family name.
You seem to have so much fun with this and the energy, and it's natural.
Yeah. Well, and that's why I got into it, because my energy is high energy, you know, more like a Lucy Ricardo energy or a Lucy Carmichael energy, you know. So that's what I needed to do, you know.
So is it a night? Is it a varied night? Is there some laughter? Is there some reminiscing? Is there some thoughts about Lucy's life?
You put it beautifully.
Okay.
This is exactly that, and it's an entertaining show. So what it is it's an older Lucy, this Lucy that you've been showing, you know, with the bubble haircut and everything.
Yes.
And I decided the way to tell her story was she did Q&As when she was older, and she loved doing that because that was her way of giving back. So we rigged questions, the questions that she always was asked and I always was asked, and that I knew the fans wanted to know. And we had mostly her family do the voices. You don't know that because it's not in the program. But so you've got Lucy Jr. asking a question, her granddaughter, you got her son, her, you know, they're the ones you'll hear the voices as if this is a lecture hall and it's a Q&A. So that's how we get the information out. So what did you ask me?
Is it a varied evening? You see, I have a mind
Yes.
like a steel trap.
Oh, thank God
Although
you
I
do.
forgot your name earlier, but, but I've got it.
Oh,
Suzanne LaRue.
I did, yes.
Okay.
I'm just so thrilled to be following the ringworm eating garbage
Okay.
section.
It's
Whatever that was.
fertilizer. It's healthy.
Yeah. I was very flattered.
Okay. Well, thank you so
Yeah.
much for being with us. And that, again, is at the River Center.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, there are some tickets left. And anything that has to do with Lucy is going to be awesome and wonderful. Thank you for being with us.
Thanks
and
for
thank
having
you for
us.
sending us out this weekend. This Friday has been wonderful. I've loved the show.
Oh, you had a good variety, I think.
Yes, thank you.
I'm going to go buy some ringworms right now.
Okay. We will continue the Dee Armstrong Show right after this break, so stay with us.
Desiree.